Students, today also we will see the previous problems of the permutations and combination. And the first problem, let Tn be the number of all possible triangles formed by joining vertices of an n-sided regular polygon. If Tn plus 1 minus Tn equal to 10, then the value of n is. So they gave the triangle. So I will take Tn is equal to nc3. So then Tn plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 C3. Tn plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 C3. Now Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to 10 they give. That means Tn plus 1 n plus 1 C3 minus nc3, that is equal to 10. N plus 1 C3 minus nc3 is equal to 10. So that implies nc2 plus nc3 is equal to 10. Nc2 plus nc3 minus nc3 is equal to 10. So why? Because n plus 1 CR plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. N plus 1 CR, NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. So I will write n plus 1 C3 as NC2 plus NC3. So these two gets cancelled. That implies NC2 is equal to 10. NC2 is equal to 10. That means n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. And next, if R, S, T are prime numbers and P, Q are the positive integers such that LCM of P, Q is R square S power 4 T square, then the number of ordered pairs of P, Q. So if I take P, Q, first if we take from R here, I will take P is R power 0 and Q is R square. Why? Because P, Q, LCM of PQ is R square S power 4 T square. First I will take R only. So if we take P is R power 0, then Q is R square. And if you take R power 1, here R square. And here R square. Here R power 0, R power 1, R square. Any of these three. This is if P is R square, Q is R power 0, R power 1, R power R square. Any of these three. So here one way and here also one way, here three ways. So for only R, we will take total 5 ways. Similarly for S also, for S, I will take P as S power 0, Q as S power 4, S power 1, S power 4, S square, S power 4, S cube, S power 4, S power 4, here S power 0, S power 1, S square, S cube, and S power 4 also. So here one way, here one way, here one way, and here 4 ways. Total 9 ways. 9 ways. Similarly from T also, T power 0, T square, T power 1, T square, T square, T power 0, T power 1. And T square also. So 1, 1 and 3 ways. Here also 5 ways. So total number of ordered pairs. Here for R 5 ways, for S 9 ways, and for T 5 ways. So total number of ordered pairs 5 into 9 into 5. So 5 nines are 5 nines are 45 and 45 fives are 225. So here option C is correct. And from the first one n is equal to 5, option B is correct. Next problem is the value of the expression 47C4 plus summation j is equal to 1 to 5 52 minus jC3 is. So now we will substitute the value of j in that. Then we will get 47C4 plus 51C3 plus 50C3 plus 49C3 plus 48C3 plus 47C3. Observe here 47C4 and 47C3. From these two, 47C4 plus 47C3, we will write NCR plus 1 plus NCR equal to N plus 1 CR. We know NCR plus 1 plus NCR equal to N plus 1 CR. Likewise, 47C4 plus 47C3, I will write 48C3. 48C3. NCR plus 1. That means 47CR plus 1 plus NCR equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. Sorry, CR plus 1. That means I will write 47C4 plus 47C3 is equal to 48C4. Sorry, 48C4. 48C4 plus 51C3 plus 50C3 plus 49C4. 49C3 plus 48C3. For these two, we will write 49C3. Sorry, 49C4. So that implies 49C4 plus 51C3 plus 50C3 plus 49C3. For these two, we will write 50C4. So 50C4 plus 51C3 plus 50C3. For these two, 51C4 plus 51C3. For these two, 52C4. So what is the option? Option C is correct. 52C4. And the next problem. The letters of the word Cochin are permitted and all the permutations are arranged in alphabetical order as in an English dictionary. The number of words that appear before the word Cochin. So first we will write alphabetical order in English dictionary form. So for Cochin, the alphabetical order is C, H, I, N, O. So C, H, I, N, O. So starting from C, here two, either first place or second place is C. So for starting from first place, so remaining are 5 words. Remaining are, if first place is C, remaining are 5. So number of words starting with so here the number of words starting with 2 C's occupy first place or second place. So that is 4 factorial. So number of words satisfying with CH, CI, CN or in each case these are 4 factorial ways in each case. So for CO, he is asking the number of words that appear before the word Cochin. So for CO also, for each case, it happens in 4 factorial ways. That means 4 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 4 factorial. Total, that is what is 4 factorial? 24. So 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24, that is equal to 96. So before appearing the word Cochin, we have 96 words. We have 96 words. So the option is C, 96. The total number of ways in which 5 balls of different colors can be distributed among 3 persons, so that each person gets at least 1 ball is. So here 5 distinct balls are distributed among 3 persons. So A, B, C. So for if we give one ball to A and B, so the remaining 3 balls are given to C. So for this we will write 5C1 into here 1 ball given, so 5C1 into 4C1 into here also 1 ball give, and the remaining here 3 balls. So 3C3. So for these 3 balls we will give it to B or give it to A also. So that means we will write 3 factorial by 2 factorial. For another case, if we give 1 ball to A and 2 balls to B and 2 balls to C. For this we will write 5C1 into 4C2 into 2C2 into here also 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So these 2 balls are given to A also and C also and B also. So that's why we will write it as 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So for 5C1, 5 into 4 into 1 into 3. That means 60. For this 5 into 4 into 1 into 3. Sorry, 4C2 means 6. So 5 into 6 into 3. So that is 90. So total number. Total number of ways. Total number of ways equal to 60 plus 90. That is equal to 150. So option is B, 150 ways. And the next one, the number of arrangements of the letter of the word banana in which the 2 N's do not appear adjacently. So for this so first of all, total number of arrangements. Total number of arrangements is equal to, here how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factorial by, here A repeated 3 times and N repeated 2 times. That means 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So total number of arrangements is equal to 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. That is equal to, so 60. 32s are 60. So total number of arrangements is equal to 60. When 2 N's do not appear adjacent. That means 2 n's appear adjacently. That means if 2 n's adjacently, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, remaining 2 n's are 1. That is 5 factorial by 5 factorial by 3 factorial. So that means 20. 2 n's are appear adjacently in 20. So we have the number of arrangements. So required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements. Required number of arrangements is equal to total arrangements minus 2 n's appear in the adjacently. So 60 minus 20. That is equal to 40. So option A is the correct answer.